Oblique training isn't just about swinging weight side to side. If you want a genuinely strong core, you need to understand the formula behind it: tension and control. Here are 7 of the most effective exercises. Exercise 1. Dumbbell side bend. Start by choosing a weight you can control without leaning forward or backward. Rather than just lowering and raising the dumbbell, focus on a slow stretch and a deliberate contraction. Keep your hips stable throughout the set. If the dumbbell is moving your whole body, it's heavier than your obliques actually need. Exercise 2. Cable kneeling side crunch. Keep your arms passive and let your obliques do the work. Focus on bringing your rib cage toward your hip and pause briefly at the point of strongest contraction. Maintain steady tension from the cable throughout the set. If your elbows are moving more than your torso, your obliques aren't getting the message. Exercise 3. EZ bar Russian twist sit-up. Slow the movement down, especially as you lower your body. Keep your feet stable and avoid letting the bar swing. Focus on rotating your torso rather than swinging your arms, and squeeze your obliques at the end of each rotation. Controlled reps always beat rushed ones. Exercise 4. Landmine 180. This movement demands full stability. Instead of moving the bar as fast as possible, make each rotation smooth and controlled. Let your hips and torso rotate naturally while keeping your core engaged. Don't force extra range just for the sake of it. Use a weight you can handle without losing form. Exercise 5. 45-degree side bend. The real test of strength is how much control you have. Instead of chasing maximum range, focus on a controlled stretch on the way down. Keep your hips stable and squeeze your obliques as you come back up. Avoid overextending at the top or relying on momentum. Exercise 6. Cable kneeling twist. Let your torso guide the rotation instead of pulling with your arms. Keep your hips stable and pause at the point of peak contraction. Control the return and maintain cable tension on every rep. A slower tempo will make even a moderate weight feel heavier. Exercise 7. Landmine standing side bend. Last but just as important, don't make the mistake of using too much weight. Keep your hips stable and let your obliques control the entire movement. Aim for a comfortable stretch at the bottom and a strong contraction at the top. If the bar starts controlling you, that's your sign to reduce the weight.